Have you ever seen a van that has a shower that turns into a heater box to dry out all of your gear? Or how about an electronic bunk bed that also hides away modular cots that attach to the outside of the build? Hey everyone, this week we're taking a look at something super special, and it's a brand new build from Outside Van. Some of you might remember some of the beautiful builds we've seen from Outside Van, and this one does not disappoint. It's built on a 2021 four-wheel drive Mercedes Sprinter 3500 170-inch wheelbase. And this build is called Paramount, and it's their latest demo van for testing their new ideas. It's designed to be able to take on the harshest conditions from all four seasons. The majority of Outside Van's clients use them for backcountry camping, so this one has a few winter tricks up its sleeve. The hallmark of the interior is the altitude bed, which can raise and lower the bed platform at the push of a button. This converts the space into a roomy sleeping space that is easily accessible from the ground. Or it can be built into a bunk bed situation for your buddies as well. And when it's fully raised up, it turns into a lounge area with tons of room. The two boxes that's built on house the water and the power systems. Tucked away in the lounge area are removable cots that line the walls. These are a new innovation that is designed to be attached to the outdoor utility ladders. The idea is that it provides a space to remove dirty and cumbersome gear, and also a space to hang out outside of your van. But the plus is that they fit neatly away without interfering with the raise and lower bed. In the middle of the build is the kitchen on the passenger side and the shower on the other. Let's hear what Brian from Outside Van has to say about this special shower.
On the surface, this might look like a standard shower, but it has a unique feature. Inside the shower, we've installed two air vents that link directly to the hydronic heating system. We call this system the hot box, and its purpose is to create an enclosed space to store and dry wet winter gear. To operate, you hang your gear on any of the Versatile track mounting points, zip the curtain, and turn your heater on. The warm air will flow throughout the enclosure and exhaust through the ceiling air vent. When not needed for wet gear drying and storage, you can use the shower as normal with on-demand hot and cold water supplied by the 28-gallon freshwater tank.
The kitchen is one of the more compact designs I've seen in a van and has everything easily accessible next to the sliding door. It includes a deep stainless steel sink, slide-out induction cooktop, 12-volt fridge, and an overhead microwave on the opposite wall. There's an overhead cabinet with a cool idea, which is that the bottom is actually magnetic and also has versatile tracks next to it. Next to it is the command center for all the switches, heating, and monitoring the 630 amp hour power system. On the driver's side, there are more storage lockers and a removable seating and storage unit. There are large storage drawers below, and if needed, the entire seating unit can be removed and replaced with two additional van seats to safely travel up to 4 people. There are also some really special features in this van, like reupholstered front seats to match all the regular upholstering, a brake controller, two-way radio for communications with your friends in the backcountry, and an upgraded sound system with hidden subwoofers. There is also an S-Pod system for controlling the air compressor in the back, all the exterior lights, and look at these ditch lights. You wouldn't know it, but they have an integrated GPS system that monitors the speed of the vehicle and changes the light pattern from flood to spot while on the go. Here's Brian again talking about van weight and some of their unique gear built in-house.
On the exterior of Paramount, The hood and sides are wrapped in our signature terrain and mountain vinyl. This wrap has a matte finish that contrasts with the glossy black paint of the chassis. Off-road capability, specifically in snow conditions, was a primary focus when designing Paramount. To manage the increased weight of the van, we specifically built Paramount on a 3500 dually chassis. More tires means a higher GVWR, keeping our build in the safe zone. Overweight vehicles seems to be a consistent issue in the van conversion industry. Customer safety is our #1 concern, so we monitor all vehicle and conversion weights. For more stability in winter conditions, we included Toyo open country all-terrain tires on Method wheels, along with upgrading the suspension system with an Agile Rip Kit, featuring Agile Tune Fox 2.0 shocks, Agile Tune front coilover struts, Agile wheel spacers, and custom enhanced capacity rear leaf springs. We've included a full assortment of custom exterior metalwork to Paramount to make the exterior of the van just as functional as the interior. On the driver and passenger sides of the van are our side steps with grip plates that help prevent slippage when boots are covered in snow or ice. There are 2 side utility ladders that feature the same grip plates and Versatile track on the faces of each step to further expand storage options. On the rear is a utility ladder, which is accessed via our custom rear step, which enables easy access to the Pack-A-Sport Freestyler storage box. Towards the front is our low-profile combo rack that holds a rigid Radiance Plus SR Series light bar, as well as the Zamp Solar 140-watt solar panel. Finally, mounted inside the rear doors of Paramount are MOLLE panels that are easily accessible from both inside and outside the van. These panels allow for an organized space to stow essential gear such as axes, ropes, and shovels. The garage also features an air compressor and exterior shower with on-demand hot and cold water.
Outside Van is one of those builders that has been around for a while and just goes above and beyond to make their users extremely happy. What do you guys think of this build from Outside Van? Are you someone who would thrive on all the tech that's included in this incredible build? Or maybe are you more of a bare bones kind of van lifer? Make sure to let us know in the comments below. Also, make sure to check out Outside Van, and thanks for watching.